I got this Durango, and ever since I got it, I noticed that in the engine compartment, there's a bunch of acorns stuff. So let's check and see what's under there. Yeah, look. It's not too bad, but there's definitely some critter is pooping. It's got seeds in there, and it looks like it's using this as a little toilet right here on my 5.7 liter Hemi. So we got to do something about this. The first thing we're going to do is clean up all that stuff. We're going to vacuum it out. Here's one of my old screwdrivers. That my dad had done this. It's the old bent screwdriver. And I can dig out that acorn. It's down here. It's got a plastic manifold, and it's got plastic valve covers. There's so much plastic on this thing. I hope there's no squirrels in here. Let's look in the Land Rover. Nigel.
Yo, Steve!
There's a squirrel problem with my truck.
What do you mean, squirrel problem?
I think a squirrel has been eating some kind of nuts in the engine compartment of my truck.
That's not a problem for the squirrel.
No, it's not the squirrel's problem, it's my problem. Because if the squirrel gets comfy living in the engine compartment, he'll start chewing on the wires and stuff, and it'll cause all kinds of trouble.
Have you considered an anti-squirrel device? I can invent a device that will repel the rodents and they will not inhabit your engine compartment.
Yeah, okay, if you want to, go ahead.
Oh yeah, I implemented a new system for requests. You have to submit a request in the suggestion box.
What are you talking about? Can't you just do it?
I need to improve efficiency around this place.
What? A suggestion box? Why can't you just do it? Just do it.
This new system optimizes time and efficiency. Just give it a try.
This thing?
Use the marker.
Okay. There's a marker here and paper. Okay. How does it work? And then I just put it in this thing?
I have a suggestion.
What?
Let's not use the suggestion box anymore.
Oh, Nigel, this might help. I found these nuts here by the scene of the crime.
We need to determine what kind of nuts these are. Computing. Analyzing. Fine-tuning results. Legume detected. Analysis complete. Object identified. Object equals peanuts. Definitely peanuts.
Yeah, you're not eating that in my car anymore. My buddy Dave told me to look at the wheels for scratch marks because that's where the rodents like to enter into the engine compartment. They crawl through the wheels. Look at those little scratches.
Error. Error. So, if the intruder is eating peanuts, I must create the opposite of peanuts. What is the opposite of peanuts? I got it! Jelly! My device emits the aroma of grape jelly. Rodents will find this quite displeasurable. They will say, "Hey, this place smells like grape jelly. Let's get out of here."
So Nigel, what did you make?
I invented an anti-rodent device for your truck.
How does it work?
You put it in the engine compartment and it will repel the intruding life forms.
Let me have a closer look.
It's a gizmo that will keep rodents out of your engine compartment.
This is pretty good. How does it work?
It's quite simple actually. I crossword the circuit that will attract rodents with a new circuit that is designed to repel rodents.
Alright,
There is an ultrasonic frequency emitted along with an asymmetrical strobe and light pattern.
okay, it takes batteries. That's good.
It smells like grape jelly.
Kind of propeller in there. I'll put it in the car and we'll try it.
Sure, give it a try.
Watch out for the car. Nigel, this is cool. So this is supposed to keep the rats out of the car? It smells like grape jelly. It's got strobe lights. The regular strobe light pattern, they don't like that. It's got this noise. So where should we put that thing? Look, there it is. Okay, let's take a look under the hood. Squirrels, is that poo?
Look, A squirrel. My device is working.
Hey, Nigel?
Any rodent activity?
Not exactly.